You don't need 20 brushes or 40 minutes to look like you know what exactly you're doing. This 3-shade eyeshadow trick is fast, flawless, and people will ask you that, no way, I cannot believe you've done this eyeshadow look only in 5 minutes? No, I cannot believe it, that's not possible. And you say, yes, it's possible. So if you're ready to know about that 3-shade eyeshadow look, which only takes you 5 minutes, or maybe less than 5 minutes, stay with me till the end. Hey beauties! Hope you are doing well. Today I'm showing you a super quick, super polished eyeshadow look using just 3 shades from the Too Faced Born This Way palette. This routine is perfect if you're short on time, but still want that professional blended finish that looks like you spent ages on it, but actually you didn't. The first thing you need to do is to divide your lids into 3 sections: the inner corner, the middle, and the outer corner. I'm starting with Glistening Snow. This soft shimmer is going right into the inner third of my lid. I'm using my finger. It's simple and even makes the process faster. And also it gives that extra pop. It instantly brightens the eye and makes you look more awake. And don't worry about the fallouts, because at the end of this, we're gonna fix everything. We're gonna clean it up later. So it doesn't matter even if you're running on 2 hours of sleep. This brightens up and makes you more awake. So I'm just gonna do the same thing with my other side. And I'm just gonna press it right onto the inner corner. Next up is Petal, this color. This matte soft pink is going onto the center. You see that? You can also use small flat brushes, but remember not to sweep it, just press it onto your lid. And this is your transition shade. And it adds the warmth and softness that makes everything cohesive. This is it. And for the final touch, I'm going to use a flat brush, and the color I'm using is Cocoa. This is actually a kind of brown chocolate color. It's also beautiful. This warm matte brown is going to the outer third of the lid. I am placing it right at the edge. As you can see, I'm tapping. You can also press it onto your lid. And after placing it, you can blend it outward and upward. So when you put the darkness at the outer corner, it creates dimension and also depth, and it makes the whole look feel intentional and professional. But it's not finished yet because we're gonna blend it. Now, I'm not over blending, I'm just going to soften the edges with this little fluffy brush. And I just try to get rid of the borders, which is kind of easy thing, I suppose. Remember, if anything fades while blending, you can tap more color. This is actually a quick eyeshadow tutorial, and it looks like you spent way more time than you actually did. That's it. The eyeshadow look that I was talking about is this, but I actually want to add another step which also makes the eyes look bigger, and that is adding color to the lower lash line. And for that, I'm using my transition color. As you can see, I only added to the outer third of my lower lash line. And let's complete the look with eyeliner and maybe some mascara. I also want to add some extra lashes at my outer corners. And just like that, 3 shades, 5 minutes, and you've got a look that's clean, professional, and it's totally wearable. Whether you're heading to class, filming content, or just you want to look more put together. This routine is actually your secret weapon. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and share your thoughts in comments down below. And if you want more quick tutorials like this, you know where to find me. Till next time, see you!